Imagine if you could see your budget versus actual reports in this dashboard with live data. That is easily shareable via PDF and email while keeping all your process on spreadsheets. In this video, I'll show you how to use Sheetgo's budget versus actual template, a template that turns financial complexities into a structured, shareable dashboard. So let's get started. The Sheetgo dashboard showcases annual and quarterly profit reports, along with income and expenses reports. The engine behind this display, a network of interconnected spreadsheets. Click the link in the video description below to install the template. You can sign up for Sheetgo using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click on Install Template and choose Google Drive. What you'll see is 5 interconnected spreadsheets and 2 forms. Let's go over how to use them. First, you need to create the income and expenses categories. Click on the Income Input Spreadsheets and on this tab, input your specific categories. Repeat this process for expense inputs. Execute the Run button. Moving on to the budgeting phase, open the Income Budgeting Spreadsheet. Navigate to the Forecast Detail tab, projecting your income by month. For each category, column A will automatically populate. Repeat this process for expenses budgeting. These projections serve as your ongoing forecast throughout the year. Transitioning to the actual data, input your figures in the Input spreadsheet. I'll open the Income Inputs and access this tab where you can manually input actual data or share forms with your team to maintain spreadsheet privacy. When deleting sample data from these spreadsheets, don't delete data from the first 2 rows. Click on the Income form and share it with your team members so they can start inputting data privately. Run the workflow to update all your reports with your most recent data inputs. You can also automate the workflow based on schedule, on form submission, or on workflow run. Here I'll choose form submission, so all my reports are updated when new data is inputted. For the comprehensive overview, open the Advanced Budget versus Actual spreadsheet, featuring 4 tabs: Budget, Income, and Expenses Analysis, and a Dashboard tab. This file provides the insights needed for informed decision-making. Open the Sheetgo dashboard, click on Refresh, and then Share to create a PDF or send it via email. Here's what a PDF of this dashboard looks like. That's how you can use Sheetgo's budget versus actual template, an invaluable resource for analyzing your company's financial performance against the budget in a secure and scalable way. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you like the video.